Hello, my name is Chandan and I welcome you all to a new era of learning with Success Pathfinder. सोचिए एक ऐसी क्लासरूम जो आपकी जेब में समा जाए, जहां आप एक नई दुनिया की खोज कर सकते हैं, नई टेक्नोलॉजी, नई स्किल्स, नई लर्निंग के साथ आप अपने सपनों को पूरा कर सकते हैं. Imagine you waking up in the morning, grabbing your cup of coffee or tea and setting into cozy spot at home. You log into your virtual classroom where day lesson awaits for you. Isn't it interesting? Are you ready to embark on this exciting adventure? Online learning is not just about absorbing information, it's about engaging with it, questioning it, and applying it in ways that are meaningful to you. So grab your laptop, find your favorite spot, and get ready to transform the way you learn. Your journey to success starts here, and we are thrilled to be a part of it. तो चलिए अभी समझते हैं कि आप सक्सेस पाथ फाइंडर के साथ जुड़कर किन किन तरीकों से लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे. लाइव क्लासेस होंगी जहां आपको रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन मिलेगी एंड रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शंस विद योर इंस्ट्रक्टर्स just like traditional classrooms and with the flexibility to join from anywhere. One-on-one sessions, regular one-on-one sessions with appointed mentor to discuss academic challenges, career aspirations and personal development. Apart from that, you also given career guidance. Mentors absorb your progress, strengths and interests, offering tailored advice on career options and helping you set realistic goals. Exciting assignments and assessments, practical application assignments designed to apply theoretical knowledge to real world scenarios, enhancing critical thinking and problem solving skills. Feedback, regular assessments including quizzes, exams and project work offer immediate feedback to track your progress and identify areas of improvement. Collaborative learning, which means to learn collectively. Collaborate with peers in virtual studies and workshops, preparing for exams and discussing challenging topics in an informed setting. Gamification and engaging activities. Interactive quizzes, role-playing exercises, जहाँ role-playing exercises में आप different roles और perspective को समझेंगे with diverse viewpoints और practice करेंगे कम्युनिकेशन और डिसीजन मेकिंग स्किल्स इन रियल लाइफ. ग्रुप डिस्कशंस एंड डिबेट्स, फैसिलिटेट ऑनलाइन डिस्कशंस एंड डिबेट्स ऑन कंट्रोवर्शियल टॉपिक्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू द कोर्स मटेरियल और सोशल लाइफ. एनकरेज कोलैबोरेशन, क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस एंड रिस्पेक्टफुल आर्गुमेंटेशन. सेल्फ असेसमेंट टूल्स, provide self-assessment tools and resources that learners can use to evaluate their own understanding and progress independently through the course. With live classes, recorded lectures, personalized mentorship, one-on-one interactions, and abundance of multimedia resources, students are equipped with the tools they need to succeed. Embrace these opportunities and embark on a journey of knowledge and growth, guided by mentors who are dedicated to helping you to achieve your academic and career goals. The future of learning is here with Success Pathfinder, and it's more exciting than ever. So enroll yourself now, because better late than never. Thank you.